Hey folks, this is Mark, Copters, Calls, and Planes RC. We're going to try a couple things here. We're going to try flying 6G mode with in high rates right now. And then after that we're going to try switching into a 3D mode. Alright, head cam on my head. Shaboom. Alright. Alright, here we go. Take off high rates 6G mode, here we go. There's a nice smooth lift off. Okay, I'm already noticing that the bit of yo-yo action that I was getting before is basically eliminated by just flying in high rates, so that's cool. Okay, that's very cool. Okay. Got a fair amount of wind right now. Fair amount. Fair amount. Fair amount. There we go. There we go. Now I was going to throw a little bit of flying in collector pitch mode, but because of all the wind and because it would be my first time with this helicopter, I'm actually not going to do that. I'll just keep flying some nice little circuits here with this in high rates. Yeah, real nice, folks, real nice. Oh, wind's picking up quite a bit. She's doing well, she's doing well. Yeah, a lot of wind, but she's doing great. Keeping her into the wind. Here comes a bunch of geese, so we're gonna kind of stay down here for a minute. Yeah, she flies great in high rates 6G mode, and again, I would try a 3D mode if it was too windy for a first 3D mode flight, in my opinion. So that's where I go. Oh yeah, it's windy. It's windy. Gusty wind. Gusty. Real gusty. Hey, she's done a great job though. Real nice helicopter, folks. Really nice. Great value for the money, in my opinion. Now, I don't know about longevity, because this is only my third flight, and I don't know about durability, because I haven't crashed her. I don't crash my helicopters. Knock on wood. I think I've got one gentle crash on my channel this time. She's doing really good in the wind, ain't she? Yeah. A lot of gusty wind right now. Whoa! But she's doing a great job. Together we're doing good. Good practice flying in the wind, particularly gusty wind, as long as you're not stepping beyond your current skill level and abilities. Alright, we're going to go ahead and land her up in here, because we got a nice dry place to land her now. There we go. Alright, folks. Beautiful helicopter. Let's pull her down. Gorgeous helicopter, ladies and gentlemen. I got her landed a little bit. I've got her landed on a spot that's not 100% level, but it's close enough. Throttle cut on. Alright, folks, that was a blast. I hope I got all that on video. Hope my battery isn't run out on my camera. Sweet, still recording. Hey, folks, there it is. Another great flight with this WLtoys V950. Really a fantastic helicopter in my opinion. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hope to see you back here soon at Copters, Crawlers, and Planes, RC, Pacific Northwest in Seattle. So long.